How to import module when module name has a dash, dash or hyphen in it. I want to import foobar.py, this works. This does not. My question, is there any way that I can use the above format, i.e., from foobar import asterisk to import a module that has a in it?
In Python 2, you can't. Foobar is not an identifier. Rename the file to foo_bar.py. It's possible since Python 3.1 plus, see Julian's answer. If import is not your goal, as in, you don't care what happens with sys.modules, you don't need it to import itself, just getting all of the file's globals into your own scope, you can use execfile.